వెళ్దారా అలా వాకింగ్ చేసే slowly. So we are enjoying heavy snow. We are 1 hour away from Seattle. And, my son and his friend Jagan have gone to enjoy the snowboarding. So my wife and I are walking to enjoy the snow. It's very skiddy, so we have to be very careful. Oh, excellent. Slow. So friends, my name is Professor M.S.Rao. I am an author, philosopher, researcher and storyteller. I create stories and share my stories to impact humankind. I love storytelling. So I am capturing the precious moments. Oh, excellent. So it's very difficult and challenging. Yeah. So I'll walk forward, then I'll return. It's a great experience. Of course, I'm an Indian Air Force veteran. I served in the Indian Air Force for 12 years. So I led a very challenging and exciting life in the Indian Air Force. And I think somebody fell down. So we have to be very careful. And I have a chronic back pain, that's one thing. And I had a brain stroke in the year of 2021. So lots of challenges are there, so I don't want to take much risk. But I'm trying to capture the moments. So these are all precious moments. I don't think we'll get these moments again. And we came to USA for the first time. And I'm in a place which is 1 hour drive from Seattle. So friends, if you like my story, please share with your networks. So I have 3 YouTube channels and I have 4 blogs. I love acquiring my knowledge and sharing my knowledge. I am passionate about education and learning. Thank you for subscribing.